Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is Police Step In When Ex Demands Everything Back After the Breakup.
On January 18th, 2024, officers responded to a call about a domestic disturbance.
Hands.
Mom! Mama!
Oh, he got the...
Hey, man,
Is that a rifle?
Huh?
Oh, no, that's the AR.
Look!
Who's got a gun?
Ain't nobody got no gun.
I have a gun.
Where is it?
My gun is ready.
They came on my property one
Right,
time.
it's okay. It's in my pocket.
Okay, don't reach for it. Just do me a
Okay.
favor. Just stay right where your hands
Okay.
are. Which pocket is it?
Right here. Y'all just watch out.
Your left
Stay
pocket?
back. Deuce, please get her. Please get her. Please, Demetri.
Y'all wanna, she said y'all had a gun. She said she had a gun. She said she had a gun. A gun.
Will you sit? Come here.
Yes, we had a call about somebody with a gun.
Please. Oh, this is my niece. Stop. Let me
21, step it up.
No, please stop. Please stop.
Let me go.
Please stop.
Okay, let me go.
Demetri, please
Let
stop.
me go.
Bro, you so fucking dirty, bro.
Let's go.
You dirty as hell.
Don't touch
You
me.
dirty, bro. It's right here in my pocket. You dirty, bro.
I don't do. I don't give a fuck about no police. Not in here.
Get out there.
No.
You got one on your head. Stop. Please don't hurt her. Get out.
This is so dangerous. This is so dangerous for the officer, man. Because the other lady, she's trying to help, but still she has a firearm, and you have to take that into consideration. And he got the AR, he got his AR, you know what I'm saying? So it's not even like he just got the regular Glock. He got the AR out with the sling, so that thing is just swinging around his neck and every... This is so dangerous, man.
Get off of her,
Get out of
please,
the car now. It don't matter.
Please, sir, get off of her. Come on.
Get up. It don't matter.
Bro, you got one on your head, bro.
She got more than one on her
You got one on your
Bitch,
head,
my mama gonna be at your house tonight, hoe. That's a man move. My mom gonna be at your house tonight, hoe. Hope you had your sister there, whoever the fuck you got with you. You gotta know this, you got one. You got to.
You might want to go home.
You got
You might want to go home.
One car, that's all.
My
bitch.
sister's coming.
One
My
car,
sisters
that's
are
all.
coming.
One car, that's all.
That's all right.
One car, that's
That's
all.
all right.
One car, that's all, mama. Try to get here now.
Okay.
Now.
It's okay.
One car, that's all.
It's okay.
You crazy?
Chill the hell out.
Is you crazy?
Hush, baby, hush.
Is you
I got a
crazy?
lot of yelling and a lot of different
Okay, well,
people.
get me up. And I'll shut up. You get me up now. Get me up.
Sir, are you understanding that this is our property? She pulled
The
up
roadway
over
is
here.
not your property.
But I'm saying she pulled up over here, sir.
And she's actively going to try to fight somebody. I gave her multiple. I gave her multiple legal commands to go back to her residence. She did not listen. That's
Please
obstruction.
stop.
Okay.
Please stop.
Okay.
Please stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Call my
Please
mama.
stop. Please stop. Demetri, just please
Okay, it's
stop.
over with.
At minimum, she's going for obstruction.
Just stop.
Let me get up.
Just stop. Just stop.
They said they got a push.
At minimum right now. She's actually coming out here trying to fight somebody.
Coming out here trying to fight.
First of all, she came here trying to fight me.
And you're exiting your residence to go try to fight somebody, ma'am.
What are you talking about? No, I didn't. No, I wasn't trying to fight out
We're both on the plane.
at all.
However,
I know.
when they pulled up, they tried to come in the yard.
I don't care about Ellen. It's just simple fact that her sister better not. She tried to throw a brick at my auntie, and you just now get her talking about a damn gun. What? Is you
Said
crazy?
she was calling the police.
Get me up off this floor.
So I went to my car and I just waited outside for the
You got anything on you? It's going to poke 6-7. You're hurting in any way.
On me, nothing.
Okay, well, you can chill out for a second.
No, I'm not gonna lay right here on this cold ass ground.
and walk.
Should have listened.
It's her phone, but
It was real easy.
no, it's her phone. But she's my ex-girlfriend. We're on the same plane.
All right, roll to your side.
And we try to get the phone.
Do
My
that.
thing is, are you gonna take
No,
my phone?
go on her.
I just paid for it. What are you
Put your knees to your chest.
I'm going to jail. It's okay. I ain't even mad.
All right.
I can get up myself. Hey, but you need to untie this handcuff right here, though. Y'all ain't got to try to come get me. What's wrong with him?
All right.
Hey, can you move your arm from on my back like that?
No,
Can I get my shoes?
I'll get them.
Can you call my mama? Golly, what? You're sick. They all sick. All y'all sick. I just had a baby less than 3 weeks ago. People come to my house on the show like a damn fool.
Congratulations, you don't get to act out either.
I don't give a fuck.
And that's why you're going to jail.
All right, that's fucking fine.
What's going on?
She's my ex-girlfriend. She's asking for her phone, but we're both on the plan. However, when they pulled up, they tried to come in the yard. So to protect myself, I grabbed my gun. But, you know, I ain't do nothing. I just put it in my pocket. Basically, she said she was calling the police. I said, okay. So I went to my car and I just waited outside for y'all.
So who was trying to get the phone, her or whoever's in the car?
She got out. They got out. Both of them got out the car.
Whose phone is it though? Like
it's her phone, but it's her
phone.
No, it's her phone.
Okay, thank you.
But she's my ex-girlfriend.
Gotcha.
We're on the same plan.
Gotcha.
She came to try to get the phone.
Gotcha.
But my thing is, how you gonna take my phone if I just paid for it?
Hello.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm not doing so well.
Okay.
So, I came over here.
Call it out on the radio. Don't write it down.
I came over here probably 20 minutes ago, and I was trying to just exchange our stuff. I thought it was going to be simple. Genuinely thought it was going to be simple. And we get up here. She wasn't here. I called her mom. I say, where is she? Like, can I just get my stuff? I don't stay here. I stay in Macon. So her mom was like, she's at the store. She should be on the way here. As soon as she gets here, I try to pull up, hand her her stuff, and I said, can I get my phone? She said, fuck me, fuck the phone. You a fucking hoe. So I said, girl, like, what you doing all this for? She got in my face. She said, what you gonna do about it? What you want to do? I said, girl, what is we doing all of this? Her niece came from the back basically talking about how her baby was asleep. I said, bro, we're not even trying to do all of that. She said she'll pop any of us. We like, what the world? I just had surgery. I can't do anything. So we're coming back to the car. She gets in her car. She pulls out her gun, and she's acting like she's shooting at us.
Okay.
What else am I? All I wanted was my stuff, and it's not like they were ever told me I couldn't come over here. Her mama just let me in the house 3 times.
Okay.
I was
she
in the
was
house.
the one that was pretending to shoot at you.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have all your property though? Like, is everything done?
No.
Okay. So what are you needing from the
My phone and my gate card, so she can't get into my apartment.
Okay. What does the phone look like that you need?
Oh, it's an iPhone. It's gold, 13 Pro Max.
Okay. So is this a phone that you gifted to her?
No.
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 Has she been using it? Is that why she have it? Okay.
Yes.
Who else saw the...
Oh, we recorded that.
You recorded it?
Yeah.
So is she doing it inside the car, or does she get out of the car?
Yeah, she get out the car right there and pop, 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 and she pointed straight at me.
I don't even see it in her hand. You need a copy of the case.
She probably going to jail. Going to jail.
That's me the case number.
To go to court? Well, you say case number?
Yeah, because there's an incident report being done on the incident.
Okay.
Ms. Ambler is going to jail today. And I'm going to do a report for everything else.
Like, could you tell me why she's going to jail? Like, they came here. I don't get it.
She left your yard attempting to start an altercation. After she was giving a lawful legal order to go back to her residence, she decided to say fuck you and tried to charge back at the other individuals. That's when she was taken to the ground. That's obstruction.
I don't know what he's going to try to do or anything. Do you guys have any marijuana in the car, or is it just you guys smoke in the car? Or have y'all smoked recently?
Oh,
you have some? How much is it? Just...
Oh my God. Oh, come on. Out of everything that's going on, that's what... Oh my God. That shit gonna get you every time, man. That literally, out of everything that just transpired, now shit is getting turned on them for marijuana. Like,
take it out and show me. It just depends. 227. God damn. If it's that much, I can't do anything about that. Let me see. Let me get it real quick.
What?
The bag. Do you want to bring your phone to call people?
She knows where I'm at.
Do you know how to? Do you have a credit card? You can pay yourself out? Okay. I would bring probably that because you can immediately loan stuff out pretty much. I gave it back to you. I literally just gave it back to you right there. Okay, good. Just go right down the street to the police station, remember? Just right down the street by the train tracks. It'll be that car right there.
this is bullshit.
You know No, you better just let us keep it if I'm gonna pay for it, you know?
No.
That's a little while.
I can't do none of that. Are you gonna be chill? I'll just let you sit back there. Do you have anything on you?
Oh, no, I don't even have pockets.
Okay. No, I know. We went to school together and everything. I remember you. Huh? Nobody knows my name, but yes, we went to school together.
No, what's your first name?
Ashley. Oh, I have a different Lowry.
Yeah, no, I do know exactly who you are. I just told her you look familiar.
Yeah. Normally you'd be in handcuffs, but you're chill. It's just a city ticket. Okay, that's all it is. Okay, you can't have this. So you bought it from that house?
No, I just got it from her.
Oh, from her?
Yeah, it was in her cars, but I originally bought it.
Oh, okay. Well, don't be having it in your car.
But no, I just got it.
I know.
I didn't know. That's why I was like,
the moment you call the police, dump it up in your car.
But no, that wasn't our thing because like we.
No, I know you don't expect it, but
no.
I mean, it's loud. Okay.
But no, we had just smoked too, so I'm not thinking you were finna search my car.
Yeah, there's some cops out there that are drug cops.
Oh no.
Okay. So don't keep it out your car.
And she's not getting arrested.
Think smart. This ain't my case.
Am I taking a picture and all that?
Yeah, but it won't do anything. Like I said, it's the city ticket.
But is it going on Facebook?
No, we don't do that anywhere. That's some random person that requests all those. All right? Okay.
Officers arrested one woman for possession of an illegal substance, while the other was taken into custody after repeatedly charging at officers and refusing to back away, leading to an obstruction charge.
Wow, this is, oh my goodness. I ain't gonna lie. That's, is this going on Facebook? No, you're going on YouTube. It's a random person that requests all those videos, which is true. But man, I don't like how that got spun like that. I really don't. And I gotta keep it real, man. This is, and I know, some of you guys feel differently and stuff, but for that to get spun with that, what she had, come on, man. And then the one, she got video of her pointing the firearm or whatever and arguing, like, how is, both of them should be arrested. Like, that little bit, I smell marijuana. It's just, smokers gotta stop that shit, man. That is the number one thing that's gonna get you. That's the number one thing that's gonna get you. This had nothing to do with any of that. And she still go to jail for that. Like, what? Come on, man. I just, it rubs me the wrong way. I'm like, you really reaching. Like, you reaching for a ticket for, like, when we got way bigger issues going on. I get it. Yes, you could arrest them for it. And I understand that, but come on, man. You reaching. You reaching for it. You reaching for it, man. But whatever, man.